Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To create a new presentation in PowerPoint after you first open it and show the Startup home screen, click the type of presentation to create in the listing of available themes that appears at the right side of the home screen. Alternatively, click the New button at the left side of the screen, or click the More Themes link below the listing of themes at the right side of the home screen to show the New screen in the Backstage view. To view a similar screen, if you already opened a PowerPoint presentation, click the File tab in the ribbon, and then select the New command at the left side of the Backstage view. You can create a new presentation from a template by clicking the desired template choice in the listing of available templates that appears to the right in the Backstage view. If you choose a themed template, a pop-up box appears with a short description of the template. To select a color scheme for some types of themed templates if available, click the desired color scheme to use in this pop-up box. Then, for all templates, click the Create button to download the themed template and create a new presentation from it. Alternatively, to immediately create a new blank presentation in PowerPoint, instead click the Blank Presentation template choice.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.